Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to take some energies in the middle of the month for you, and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in the mid of May 2021. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Let's get started with your reading now. Okay, what is going on with my Sagittarius in the middle of the month of May 2021? Please, my spirit angels and guides, please guide me for my Sagittarians. What is happening with them? Sagittarius energies. So I'm going to look out for some past, present and future energies for you over here. Okay, let's see now. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the Star. So I see some reconciliation here. I don't know, but I am getting some strong energies for reconciliation with somebody from the past. It can be somebody who was involved in a three-party situation before, but now somebody realized that you are the one. So somebody is trying to come back to you. Okay, let's get started now. Your past energies are Four of Pentacles, the World and the Five of Cups. Yes, so things really went bad in the past, first of all. Then what happened? Somebody actually regretted whatever this. I think this is not your energy, this is someone else's energy. It can be your energy as well, vice versa, for cross watchers as well. So somebody have left a person in the past because of something, because of a person, because of being indecisive, because of feeling that no, I can get something better than this person. I am worthy of more, you know, a beautiful person, richer than this person. So these were the things, you know, that selfish mind was there. But the regrets are also coming. Okay, so when we actually see the reality, what is happening in the past, so we try to contact the person with whom we were involved, the person who actually felt that this is the person, this was the happiness, and I never valued this person. So yeah, okay, so in the present we have Three of Cups, Six of Wands and the Nine of Cups. So somebody wants communication, somebody feels that you are the one, or you feel that they are the one who can make you happy, content, you know, you show gratitude. It's like being happy, successful, victorious in this situation, and then you just want to talk to this person, although this person was involved in the third party. Okay, this can be a mother as well, this can be somebody else, a sister, or a third person, as in a new lover. Okay, but the reality was that you were the one. They found out that you were the one, and they are trying to reconnect with you. They're trying to talk to you in the present. Okay, so what's coming up in the future? Wheel of Fortune, Three of Wands and the Four of Wands. So I see marriage, I see wheel turning, I see finally the Wheel of Fortune, the Wheel of Luck is coming in your favor with lots of happiness, and the universe wants to tell you that, you know, you deserve a lot of happiness. You were waiting for this person. I think that you were not over from this person. You were still waiting for this person, and finally this person also tried to you know, I think that they were not able to connect you, but finally when they are trying to connect you, they want to tell you something. There's a lot of things to tell you, but this is a genuine coming back. Okay, this is not I don't feel that it is genuine coming back of this person, but we will clarify some more. Okay, we can't just say like this. We need some clarifications for my Sagittarius. Let's see Sagittarius energies What is there in the back of the deck? Why the star is here in the back of the deck for my Sagittarius? Ace of Wands. See, communication, new beginnings, new ideas coming up. So I feel that somebody is trying to give one more chance, asking for one more chance. That are you ready to give me one more chance? I want to be the part of your life again. See, I want to be that 10 of cups. You know, that family card is also here. So things are really positive around you right now. Four of Pentacles, the World, and the Five of Cups is here. Let me check what are the energies. What is this? Why these energies are here? Three of Wands. Yes, you were waiting for this person. You might be even distant from each other. You know, you might be even not in the same place. Might be different areas. You know, different countries, different cities, different states. It can be anything. Six of Cups, reconciliation. Again, coming back of someone. You know, strong energies of reconciliation I'm getting. So memories of the past. Past things were. You were waiting. You were missing. They were also missing. So they might are contacting you right now, but it's like missing. Wait. But they were missing you. Okay. Three of Cups. Sorry. Okay. Three of Cups, Six of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. What are these energies? King of Swords. Okay. The Hanged Man. Yeah, I got it. What are these energies? And Four of Wands. Okay. I think you were being a little skeptical about the situation. You were waiting for this person, but now when this person is coming back, you are being the hard person now. You are being the bad with words, bad with your mouth, because now you are being very indecisive what to do. You wanted this person to come back, but now when this person is actually coming back, you are really skeptical. Okay, but that is not your problem. If this is happening with you, that is genuine, that is fine. Because you know, somebody who might have broken your trust before, this person can break your trust again. So that is why you are being indecisive. You are waiting to find a perfect chance, or to find a perfect hint from the universe. And with the Four of Wands, I see that the hints are coming to you, that just at least talk. Okay, that is what is coming, that you can communicate at least. Let's see why the Wheel of Fortune, Three of Wands, and the Four of Wands is here. Justice, King of Pentacles, and the Star again. Okay, so we have two stars. So the hope, the reconciliation, I feel that it is going to happen. It's just that with this past person, but I feel that whosoever this is, you know, this person, you might even be might be even divorced. That can be a person with whom you are already divorced, or this person is already going through some divorce procedure or something like that. I feel that you will not take a decision in a haste in the coming future. You have become a very different personality from past so many months, and you are not going to take any decision in a haste. You are going to balance out. You are going to talk like, okay, these are my demands, or these are my things. Then only you are going to continue with this person. You have changed a lot, Sagittarius. I see those energies, those changing energies in you. Alright, so that is all from my side, Sagittarius. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.